Okay, so Mitsubishi Colt 5-door black Ralliart back again, because last time we struggled with a faulty ECU after it had been benchmarked, and this morning we've replaced the ECU. We've also found a tear in a intake pipe, and we've replaced that with a Dynodaze one. That looks very, very sexy. But now we can connect to the ECU again, so it's time to start data logging. Morning, Richard.
Morning.
I just want to point out that I cut my fingers up, fitted that ECU. Well, fitted the transponder box. So,
welcome to my life.
Yeah, so that's going on the labour bill.
Yeah.
That is.
Well, £10 per cut.
Absolutely. But it's good to see this car back up and running again. Customer had some issues last time. It had been benchmarked, hadn't it? And and the ECU had been sort of semi-bricked by the looks of it.
Yeah, there was something going on, wasn't there? I mean, we couldn't figure it out last time, so we suggested getting an ECU set so we could at least start again and then see what happens, and that's what we've done this morning.
Yeah, it looks like we're on the right path, doesn't it, buddy? Because now we can connect to it and you can see all the data.
We can log and stuff, so it's certainly looks like it's moving in the right direction now.
Yeah, good stuff. Okay, let's go. I'm tired.
Tired?
I'm tired. We'll start with that.
I think you're a bit mardy, you're not tired, but okay. Right, Colt Ralliart.
Yes, Colt Ralliart, 5-door, very nice. We've seen it before. Last time it was in, it had been benchmarked, and when we tried to communicate with the ECU, it wasn't having it, so someone had obviously bricked some part of that.
Yeah, I've done some damage or whatever. Swapped the ECU over this morning, managed to get communication with the ECU.
Certainly did.
Got it all working, which is great, and then sort of still hit a couple of stumbling blocks with this car. I mean, for whatever reason, it has been a bit of a pain this morning. You know, when you do as many of these as what we've done, you sort of get into a rhythm and a pattern, and you know what they should react like and how they should react, and this car just didn't seem to react in the normal senses. So we've changed the MAF sensor, we've tried that, it didn't make any difference. We've tried a fuel pressure regulator, that did make a little bit of a difference, but really not too much of a difference. We just seem to be putting a lot more fuel in on this particular car than we would do on a normal car for the same amount of mods.
Yeah.
So we tried to alleviate some mechanical areas if we thought there was obviously issues there. We've got no codes coming up, I've got nothing coming up. So then in the end we just made the decision to, you know, tune accordingly to what the car was asking us for and
every
what it needed
car
to do.
on its own merit.
Yeah, every car on its own merit. It's just it's outside of the norm, or slightly outside of the norm in this particular instance. But we've carried on. It's tuned up okay. It's made good power. So it's
yeah, it has made good.
It's fought us a little bit, really, to be fair, but it's okay. That's what we're here for.
A good couple of hours more than we would have normally spent on a car of this sort of
level of mods.
Level of mods. Yeah. Do you want to look at the graph?
Come on then.
Come on, let's have a look at the graph. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. The red line is obviously the bench map, so no change in modifications, just Dynodaze map. And as you can see, power across the rev range there. That's going to be a delight to drive now compared to how it was. And we finish on 211 brake horsepower, which is 188 at the wheels, 223 foot-pound of torque. That's going to be the bit where he feels it. So fingers crossed. Great car, and now it can be driven and enjoyed without the worry of that bench map being on there, because Dynodaze have done a custom map. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If you've got a Ralliart, especially a 5-door, let us know. But if you have got a Ralliart, let us know what mods you've got, what power you're up to, and we shall see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed.